Dear students, in the last lecture we have introduced with the topic set, definition of set, methods of writing set, different examples of set. Now today we will learn element of set and how to denote elements of the set. Consider the example. A is equal to A, B, C, D. Set A contains 4 objects A, B, C, D. If A is a member of set A, then it is written as A belongs to capital A. A is present in the set A. It is denoted as A belongs to capital A. Okay. It can also be read as A is a member of set A, or A is an element of set A, or A belongs to set capital A. Also, B is present in the set A, then B is a member of set A. How can we denote this in symbols? B belongs to set capital A. You can also read it as B is an element of set A. Okay. Now, G. Is G present in this set A? No. Element G is not present in this set A. So how can we denote it by using symbols? G is not a member, or you can write G is not an element of set A. It can be written as G does not belong to A. This is the symbol of does not belong to. G is not an element of set A. These are the symbols belongs to, does not belong to. Now let us solve practice set 1.1. First example. Write the following sets in roster form. First example is set of even natural numbers. So let us denote this set by capital A. Capital A is equal to, which are the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash dash. There are infinite even natural numbers. So you have to write dash dash dash, curly bracket, complete. This is the set of even natural numbers. Second example, set of prime numbers from 1 to 50. So think about it. Even prime numbers. We know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, dash dash dash. These are the prime numbers. But which is even prime number? Denote this set by A. Capital A is equal to 2. There is only one even prime number, 2. So this set contains only one element, 2. 2 is an even prime number. Third example, set of negative integers. The set of integers is denoted by capital I is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4, dash dash dash. There are infinite negative integers, so write dash 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 next to -4. This is the set of negative integers. Fourth example, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Denote this set by using capital letter S is equal to 7 basic sounds: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. There are the 7 basic sounds of a sargam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Second question. Write the following symbolic statements in words. First one. 4/3 belongs to Q. We have seen this symbol. Belongs to. So how can we read this symbolic statement? 4/3 is an element of set Q, or you can read it as 4/3 is a member of set Q. 4/3 is an element of set Q. Second example, -2 does not belongs to capital N. So how can we represent this symbolic statement in words? -2 is not an element of set N. Third example, capital P is equal to small p such that P is an odd number. So read this statement. Set P is a set of all p's such that P is an odd number. Set P is a set of all p's, small p, such that small p is an odd number. Third question, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. You can take any two sets and write them by using both listing and rule method. Choose any two sets. Okay, we will move to next example. Fourth question, write the following sets using listing method. Now we have to write the given set by using listing method. First example is all months in the Indian solar year. So we will denote this set by using capital alphabet A. A is equal to the months in the Indian solar year are Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. Okay, there are the 12 months in the Indian solar year. Next example, letters in the word complement. We have to write this set using listing method. So denote this set by using letter capital C is equal to avoid confusion, we will denote this set by using letter capital B because C is the element of this set. So we will denote this set by using letter capital B. So this set contains element C, O, M, P, L, E. M is repeated, E is also repeated, then N and T. Bracket complete. C, O, M, P, L, E and T. Repeated object, repeated element is written once. So this is the letters, the set of letters in the word complement. Next example, set of human sensory organs. So let us denote this set by A is equal to, which are the human sensory organs? Nose, eyes, ears, tongue, skin. Bracket complete. Next example, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So denote this set by using letter capital P is equal to set of prime numbers from 1 to 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. They are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Fifth question. Write the following sets using rule method. Now we are given sets in listing method. We have to identify the property and write these sets by using rule method. So first set is A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 80, 100. So A is equal to assign variable x such that, now if we observe, the square of 1 is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, likewise 10 square 100. So they are the squares of first 10 natural numbers. So we can write this as x is equal to n square, where n is a natural number, n belongs to n, and n is less than or equal to 10. The value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, likewise up to 10 square 100. So we have written this in the form of equation x is equal to n square, and the conditions are this n belongs to capital N, n is a natural number, and this n is less than or equal to 10. Next example, capital B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So B is equal to x such that, now there are the multiples of 6. Okay, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24, likewise 6 into 8, 6 exa 48. Okay. So the n runs from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. So how can we write this in the form of equation? X is equal to 6n, where n belongs to capital N and n is less than or equal to 8. N is less than or equal to 8, bracket complete. In this way, we can write this set using rule method. B is equal to x such that x is equal to 6n. 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24. Likewise 6 into 8 48. Last element is 48. So this n runs from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. So here condition is n is less than or equal to 8. Next example. This is a very simple example. C is equal to SMILE. They are the letters of the word smile. So we can write C is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word smile. SMILE, bracket complete. So we have seen how to write the given set in roster form, then to write symbolic statements in words. Also we have seen how to write given sets by using listing method, then how to write given sets by using rule method. Thank you.